Opalescence Go is a professional tooth whitening system that is ready to use right out of the package. The thin, pre-filled trays are easy to position on the teeth, and they comfortably adapt to any smile, offering a custom-like fit, molar to molar on both arches. Using Opalescence Go is easy. It involves 4 simple steps. Remove Opalescence Go from the package. Center the tray on the upper and lower arch. Suck down or swallow to secure the tray on the teeth. Once the tray is secured, remove the colored outer tray and swallow again. Opalescence Go should be worn once a day for 30 to 60 minutes with a 10% hydrogen peroxide concentration, or 15 to 20 minutes with a 15% hydrogen peroxide concentration. You can expect brilliant results in 5 to 10 days. Opalescence Go is so powerful and effective. It is only dispensed by dentists. Ask your dentist how you can begin whitening today.